1 cup of moong dal. Add water. Soak this for 10 minutes. Take banana stem. Cut it and remove its upper layer. Then chop it into small pieces. Add water to that. Stir it with a stick to remove unwanted waste. Next, to a mixer jar, add 1 cup of grated coconut, half cup of coriander leaves, 3 green chilli and blend it. Next, to a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, add 7 to 8 garlic, 1 cup of sliced onion. Fry the onion for 2 minutes. Add pinch of turmeric powder. Add salt as per your taste. Now add chopped banana stem, soaked moong dal. Mix it well. After mixing, add grain masala, 1 cup of water. Mix everything well. Add extra water if required. Now close the lid and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After it cooks, switch off the gas. Now the dish is ready to serve. For more videos, like, share and subscribe our channel.